Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get free phone service through Lifeline. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Lifeline provides free or discounted phone and internet services to low-income individuals. You may qualify if you participate in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, SSI, or meet income guidelines. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare proof of eligibility such as your benefits card, income statements, or government ID. Having these ready speeds up the application. Step 3. Find a Lifeline provider. Visit lifelinesupport.org to see participating phone or internet providers in your state. Compare their plans to find one that meets your needs. Step 4. Apply online or by phone. Complete the application on the provider's website or call their customer service. Provide your personal information and proof of eligibility. Step 5. Submit all required documents and wait for approval. The provider will review your information and confirm eligibility. Step 6. Receive your free phone or service. Once approved, you'll receive your phone or service plan. Activation instructions will be provided by your Lifeline provider. Step 7. Maintain eligibility. Some states require annual verification. Make sure to update your provider if your income or program participation changes to continue receiving service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.